she felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on.
We are hiking Monument Hill this morning in Leeds. Is it a mile, like total, up and down?
I have absolutely no idea.
I think it's about a mile.
It'll be interesting.
It shall be interesting. It's quite
very
wet.
wet.
It is very wet, yep.
It's
I
good thing
guess
we have bridges.
it is. I'm glad that it's wet and not ice, I guess.
It's still kind of cold though.
It is. It's December in Maine, so it's chilly. Let's do this.
Look, my pink bag.
I love your bag. It's a fabulous camera bag.
Not only the fingers come out, but so do the thumbs.
That is snazzy. Wow. I mean, when you're trying to take pictures and videos, thumbs are important. So those seem pretty perfect for the occasion today.
Brittany, you should make this video interesting and pretend that we're lost and that we've been out here for 7 days and all we've had is water and tree bark.
And Hank puke.
Hank! Water and tree bark. I would scare some of my students.
Well, you could put a disclaimer at the beginning. The real view.
Just rolled a rock.
And he's very interested in what that was, huh? Hank, what was it? Oh, Hank.
Watch out, watch out. Yes, yes.
All right, Hank. How you gonna do? Hank, you stay. Hankus, you stay with your people.
Hank, come on.
No, this isn't going well.
Hank, hey. Good boy. Good boy.
There we go. All right. Oh my God. Hank, you're gonna hurt yourself. You wild puppy.
What are you doing with yourself?
I'm sure he'll come back to it.
Hank, what do you smell? Good news, it is significantly drier as we are making it further up the hill. Hi, Bankus.
Majestic creature.
Majestic, all right.
Majestic. Okay. Hey, wait!
Oh my God.
In case you were wondering about,
The water again.
Hank, come on.
if you were wondering about the energy level of a boxer puppy, it's a lot. The sass and attitude.
Oh geez, here he comes. Boy. Oh boy.
Oh, Hank.
I beat you, Hank!
Atta boy.
It's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. Just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. It never ends, this being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. Just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Feel so lucky, oh, 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 still can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 I can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 I just feel so lucky. Oh, 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 still can't believe you love me.
Alex is climbing the tree. You should get that.
Oh my word, yes I should.
Alex, the other child. Yeah. How's it going, Alex?
Shining from within, I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference. Oh, you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough. Shining from within, I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
What's it like